Hey, everyone, welcome back to Finance Techtopia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 incredible ways to make money with ChatGPT, AI, and YouTube. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have ChatGPT Pulse. This is an exciting new way to earn a steady income by creating a blog and reviewing ChatGPT prompt sites. Simply rank the sites you review on your blog, and then monetize your blog using Bluehost. With just 100 subscribers, you can make an impressive $1,500 per month. Next up is AI content creation. Did you know that YouTube disqualifies around 50% of new channels? But don't worry, with ChatGPT, you can create high-quality videos that rank on Google and YouTube in just minutes. And the best part? You can get paid $25 per video through the TikTok advertising network. Last but not least, let's talk about ChatGPT Video. With this tool, you can create engaging videos without breaking the bank or wasting time on expensive tools like Camtasia or Adobe Premiere Pro. Simply input your prompt, hit generate, and voila, you have a captivating video ready for viewing on TikTok or any other platform. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you make the most of ChatGPT and other AI tools for your business. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more Finance Techtopia content. Until next time, happy creating!